I'm sure this has happened to you that you record a good video and you post it on your Instagram story, but then after uploading, when you see it, it's blurry and it's really not with high quality. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it and tell you why this happens. First thing you want to do is make sure you are capturing photos and videos with the highest quality possible. So you want to open your settings, and from this menu, you are going to find camera. And here, as you can see, your phone offers you adjustments in different sections, like at what ratio you're recording a video, or maybe slow-mo or cinematic. So you want to make sure all of these are at the highest quality possible, which is obviously 4K at 60. And what about slow-mo? Okay, obviously this is on 240. That is the highest one. How about cinematic? As you see, mine is on the highest one. If you have any doubts, it explains down here how many megabytes will be the size of that video or photo. I mean, here we're talking about cinematic, so obviously it's a video, but your phone in the setting, it's trying to explain to you what these options are. So you want to make sure that you are capturing photos and videos with the highest quality possible. Even you can make some adjustments in your camera. For example, if you turn on flash, that usually creates a better quality, or if you put this on RAW 12, that usually captures the picture with more details. But usually if you put it on live, they say, I'm not really sure, but they say it decreases the quality a little bit. So you want to make sure that you're capturing everything with the highest quality possible. And if we're all done with that, we can also do some things on the application of Instagram. So you want to open your Instagram and you want to head over to settings. On this list, you want to scroll down to find media quality. And as you can see, Instagram is offering me 3 options. The first one says use less cellular data. Obviously, if you toggle this on, your phone will use less data, hence your videos or photos will be uploaded with the least quality. So you want to make sure this is toggled off. Next one says upload at highest quality. You want to make sure this one is definitely toggled on. This is like the most important thing. And the third one says disable display of HDR media. HDR media is media with higher quality. If I disable it, it means I don't want my media to be with higher quality. So you want to make sure this one is also toggled off. I hope from now on you will upload your stories on Instagram with the highest quality possible. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this.